Today I'm going to try to catch some snook, and I'll be walking up and down the beach casting medium-sized lures like this, and we'll see what happens. Oh. Go! Alright, so this is the type of snook we have here in Costa Rica called a yellowfin gualaje. As you can see, it looks very different from a normal snook. And they don't get very big at all, actually. This is like a medium size, not medium size, no, it's a medium size for one, or an average size. So I'm gonna keep him. But yeah, they're cool fish. They have a big spine back, big fins, and upturned head. Se lo voy a liberar para el sartén. We can catch another one. We have to catch a bigger one. I have no idea what this could be. I don't think it's a tuna. It's the way it's acting. I highly doubt it's a mahi-mahi because it probably would have jumped by now. But then again, I never caught one, so I wouldn't know. Same goes for a tuna. I never caught a tuna, so I wouldn't know. But it's not really acting like it. I mean, completely honest, it's kind of acting like a jack. I don't know. I just hope it's something good. It's not too big, though, for sure. What could it be? It's a jack, I think, the way it's acting. Yeah. I think it's just a big old jack. 120 foot of water. Man, these things are on. Come on. Coming up now. And honestly, if it's a jack, it's not very big. Oh, I see him. Dang, man. Yeah, it's just looking like a big jack. Yeah, it's a jack. Come on. Oh, there you go. Come on, boy. Yeah, it's a jack. Es un murel grande. And he's foul hooked too. So me and my friend have been trolling for like 4 or 5 hours basically, and we've gone probably over 5 miles by now, and he caught a mackerel and I finally caught a fish. It's this nice jack. It's about a good 10-12 pounds maybe, and yeah, I was hoping it'd be something else, but I guess I'll enjoy the fight for now. All right. He's going back. I've cut out agua. And that's it. He's gone. So today we are fishing in the kayak, me and my friend Keone, and we've been fishing since 5:30 or so, and I just caught a fish, so I'm just now making an intro. Alright, so it's been like a week since I last went fishing. We got some really nasty red tide the day that we were kayak fishing. On the way in, it came in and it got really bad for about, well, really like a week. Today's the first day without red tide, and yeah, we'll see what I can catch. So that's why I haven't uploaded very much the last 2 weeks basically, because the week before that, before I caught the rooster fish and all that, the red tide was really bad too. So it came in, left, I caught some fish, and then it came in again, and now I'm back at it. So we'll see what happens. I just lost a snook. That hurts. Man, I've been watching. He hit it and then just jumped immediately and it came out. There we go. All right. Uf. No sé qué tenemos. No idea what this could be. Creo que es un jurel. I think it's a jack, guys. But hey, something right now. Yeah, it's un jurel. Just a jack. Okay. No es mucho, pero es algo. All right. This little jack about 5 pounds, and he hit the nose like they needed. I lost a snook earlier, but you know, it hit it and jumped immediately, and it came off, so I didn't have any time to set the hook or anything. So yeah, un jurelito nada más de como 3 kilos, y con esta goma de no light bait needed. Y justamente antes había perdido un robalo, como vieron en el video, en la pura roca me lo comió y se me fue porque saltó de una. Vamos a ver si hay más ahí. There he goes. Y se fue. There we go. No. Oh, I just lost another nice snook. Oh my god. What the heck just happened?